And Doug. Doug and Faith. I dug Faith once. I get it. I dug Faith. Sorry. Okay. So Doug and Faith. I don't either. I don't know. Doug and Faith are going to be making our sound effects for us, so it's a lot of fun. So we're going to do a scene about the shooting range. So I need you to give us a big round of applause when we start.
All right. Are you ready to go out there and make sure nobody shoots the wrong thing?
Absolutely. Let me get my big old bag.
Excellent. Whoa! That is a big old bag.
It is.
I just got my shotgun. Well, it needs a little greasing.
Bless you.
Yeah, my shotgun's got a cold.
Here, let me hold my bag. Continues to make that ripping sound.
Wow. You've got gerbils in your bag.
I got some mustard in there too. That was number 24.
That's good, but I got all mine contained in this little tiny thing that folds out into a tool chest. Watch.
Is it made of fur?
I've got it on silent. Hang on. All right, now it's going to make noise. Oh, sorry, you can't tickle it.
You're unfolding a gorilla. That's so awesome.
It's one of these artificial intelligences. You tickle
Oh, that's
it
awesome.
and it laughs. Watch this. We gotta get to work.
Here we go. Come on.
Whoa!
That's pretty good, huh?
I'm gonna use my rapid fire.
Wow, that was awesome, man. Very cool.
Hey, that's cool, man.
Hey, I got some whistling throwing stars. Watch
Oh,
this.
cool. I've got a bow and arrow. Sorry, that's the wrong one. Yeah, maybe I'll stick to the slingshot. Wow, I got that little old lady.
You did. Wow, that's nice. Well, we got this new anti-aircraft. I think I turned it on. Okay, there we go.
Whoa, that thing looks like it's gonna make a big noise.
Look at that balloon over there.
Yeah, get it. That's pretty good. You know what?
What?
I'm just gonna tie all this dynamite with my silent rope
Laughing rope.
to this stick. The dynamite doesn't like that. And I'm gonna light it and it's gonna go up there and explode in the sky.
All
with
right.
fireworks.
Let's see it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. I got a match.
All right.
Oh, I don't let go.
Yeah, you better let go of that.
Boom!